Now this figure 19-15 deals with protective device rating not to exceed the manufacturer's value. Now, of course, you know this is in accordance with 110.3b and c in the NEC, which the authority having jurisdiction per 90.4 uses in acceptance of equipment. And it should be the same with us as designers or installers if we're not inspectors, reviewing the equipment. And that's what the overcurrent protection device is stating in the illustration. You see, you have your overcurrent device here not to exceed the nameplate rating per manufacturer's instructions in accordance with 440.22c. Now, I always make the recommendation dealing with such units is that you should review 440.22a, b, and c to that section. Now, notice in the NEC loop, your branch circuit selection current definitions, 440.2, branch circuit selection current nameplate, 440.4c, branch circuit selection current conductors, 440.22a, and your branch circuit selection current for your overcurrent device, 440.22a. Now, the controller, if you're dealing with a controller and you're having problems, I suggest you review 440.5, 6, 51, 52, and 53 to Article 440. I think you can pick up a lot of good information. Your nameplate 440.4 that you see in the illustration. Now, that's what this illustration and figure 19-15 is illustrating is you cannot size the overcurrent device greater than the manufacturer's values listed on the nameplate of the AC unit.